Do you want to call attention and emphasize the key points in your video? Then use Legend. It animates text and it helps you be a better video communicator. Learn how to use this tool in this video. Hi, my name is Anthony Prichard, and welcome to my garage. As we all know, all good businesses start in the garage. And today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial of a fun tool that helps you communicate better with video. It's called Legend, and it's not available on your desktop, so I've got to show you with my smartphone. And the way that I'll be displaying my smartphone screen on my laptop is with a tool called Screen Mirror app, and just scan that QR code on the screen and now you should be able to see my smartphone screen. So I'll just expand this window display right now so that you can see that, and what you'll be seeing me do is open up the Legend app. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It gives you a sample. It's different every time. This time it says you become what you believe. But I'll be showing you today how to use it in practical terms. So yes, you can create a meme like this and inspire someone. That's one way to use it. You can also celebrate maybe a top fan or celebrate somebody's birthday. So that's the one I'm going to be showing you now. And and so it's this guy's a Sporting Denver top fan. And so then I'm gonna add a photo by clicking that folder, and this is Dave right here. He's a top fan. And then I'll just click the play button in the middle, and now you'll see that I've got several different options in how to animate this. That's the daring one. I can go right next to it and do the lines animation. The one next to that is the display animation, right there. I could go over to the dash, the frame, and then I can go below and I can click a different color scheme. So if I started on the right or I started on the left, there'd be a white. If I went one over, that'd be a little darker with white text. And then I could go blue or gray or black. Barely see them. How about red? No, this one's good. Sporting Denver top fan. And then here there's a setting button or icon on Dave's left bicep, and if you click on that, then you get an option to go square or landscape. I like the square version, so we're going to go with that, and I'm going to download either a GIF or a video. And in this case, I'd like to do a GIF because then it will just replay over and over again. It's just basically an image that is sequenced with the frames of a video. So it looks like that. Great, so that's a good way to celebrate somebody who's a top fan or who's got a birthday. The next thing you can do though is introduce a topic or an event. And so I'm just going to back up and start another. Well, it looks like there's the example of the happy birthday, but let's do an event. So instead of square, this time I'm going to go landscape, and this event is going to be called how about artificial intelligence. And again, I'll go to the settings, I'll click landscape, OK. And let's go with this one. I like that one a lot. Okay, so then this one I'm going to download a movie instead of a GIF. And as you can see, I've got a 1080p MP4. So that's a really nice high quality video clip that I can use in a longer video. I could use it in the banner art of the event. And so there's a lot of great ways that you can use this. I definitely suggest checking it out. And there is a Facebook page which they have that can help teach you more about it. It recently came out in Apple or for your iPhone in the iOS operations. So thanks for watching my little tip video. I plan on putting out some more of these in the near future. And so I'll see you next time.